Good morning, visitors. Right now we have the tugboat Missouri entering the Duluth Ship Canal. Missouri was built in 1927 as the Rogers City by the American Shipbuilding Company in Lorain, Ohio. She measures 88 feet in length, 24 feet in width, and 22 feet in depth. She is powered by a single 2,300 horsepower Alco diesel engine. She's owned and operated by the Great Lakes Towing Company of Cleveland, Ohio. And in recent years, they've been stationed here in our harbor doing tug assistance and lots of ice breaking in the wintertime. The Missouri was originally built as a steam-powered tugboat for the U.S. Steel's Michigan Limestone Corporation, operating out of Rogers City. In 1956, she was converted to diesel, renamed Dolomite. In 1981, she was sold to the Seaway Towing Company of Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan, and renamed Chippewa. She was also repowered with a more modern engine that same year. She was sold to her current operator, the Great Lakes Towing Company, in 1990. In previous years, she was stationed in Sault Ste. Marie, and like I said, as of August 2018, she has been here in the harbor, being one of the main tugs for Great Lakes Towing, assisting vessels. Just heard there was the captain's salute, which is a traditional greeting between vessels in the bridge. In this case, tugboat initiates the greeting with one long blast followed by two short blasts, and the bridge responds to the same thing. The Missouri left earlier today to go out to two harbors to assist a vessel, one of the Algoma Central Canadian ships, out of the harbor, and now they're coming back in to go back to their dock. But once again, we just had the Missouri enter the Duluth Ship Canal, built in 1927, measures 88 feet in length. And again, it's nice to see them come through. We don't see them leave the harbor often, so it's kind of fun to see them come through.